Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we will be previewing this stunning 1989 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. So we'll spend a little bit of time today, so that way you can understand exactly what she has to offer, and if this is something that you can picture in your garage. So growing up with these, this was my favorite color, Cordova Burgundy or red over burgundy interior. To me, this is the right one. So recently renovated or refurbished, new paint, wood grain, tires, brakes, mechanicals. If you thought about restoring one of these, I suggest that you not buy one done like this example. We've had both projects and completed ones, and it sure is nice to be able to jump in, drive, and enjoy a Grand Wagoneer such as this right out of the gate. So very well sorted. It's got the four-wheel drive. This one 5.9 liter V8. Do pop the hood while we're in here. You see power seats. Both front seats function. All the windows work. You have tilt steering here. Little wear on the steering wheel, commensurate for 137,000 miles. An upgraded radio, no harm, no foul. AM, FM. And this auxiliary power switch there. AccuSound by Jensen. Speakers in all the corners. Power mirror. And there. It's super solid, as you can tell.
Cut it off.
And here in the sun, you can catch the metallic. Nice and straight too. The stainless front grille polish, it's real nice. And you can see some of the mechanical upgrades. Electronic ignition, new Sandin style compressor, better than the old York style. Power steering, power brakes, and a 4-barrel carburetor. We'll fire her up here in just a moment. Additional sound deadening under the bonnet. And we'll go inside here after the driving portion and video the undercarriage, and you'll be impressed. Again, as mentioned earlier, all the wood grain has been replaced. Looks great. And power seat. This headliner was also replaced during the renovation. That's the Achilles heel of these cars, so to see one up and intact sure is nice. We'll go through the operation of the windows here in just a minute. I got the back window down just to make it easier for me to open the rear. A little bit of mothing here on this left corner, and then again on the tailgate right there. And here. Again, this color just pops. Just a little bit of age showing on the chrome bumper. New tires again, as mentioned earlier. Horn blows, hear the radio.
At 3233 Burtville Drive, Suite 4.
No, air conditioning. Here. See back window here for you. Important on these, so I'm going to take the time. Looks like it hangs up about halfway. A little chip down the edge of the glass. We'll jump in, we'll go for a ride. So back inside here, the air going, shut this door a little bit tighter. There we go. Here we had our main dealership. This is actually my 20th year making photos and videos such as this for customers all over the world, like yourself. Take a lot of joy and pride doing such. So we'll give her a spin. Go through the gears. Power mirrors do not function. Just want to mention that. Well, here we'll make a right. Turn signals work. We'll make a right, head back to the store. Do a little video of the undercarriage so you can see just how beautiful she is there as well.